Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll show you how to crochet this cute little crochet wind spinner. It spins so beautifully in the wind and makes the prettiest decoration for your balcony, garden, or even indoors by a window. Whether you are a total beginner or you have been crocheting forever, this is super easy to crochet and satisfying. So today I'll be using very basic material. I have used 2 colors of yarn. You can use 3 or 4, and 4.0 mm crochet hook, scissors, and measuring tape just for fun because we won't use it. So let's start it. We will start with a slip knot. I'm using white yarn first. So make a loop like this and then a cross, then pinch the knot like this. Now insert your hook into this loop and tighten it. Now we will start working on our foundation chain. So for foundation chain, yarn over your hook first, then pull a loop from the loop on your hook. So this is our first chain like this. We will work 70 chains, but if you want to increase or decrease the length, you can work the chain according to your desire. So let's complete 70 chains. After completing 70 chains, now we will work one more chain and then pull a long loop, because this loop will be our holder for the wind spinner. Now let's cut this off. So our foundation chain with 70 chains is complete. Now we will change color and start working on our row 1. Now insert your hook into your last chain, then pull up a loop. Make sure you secure the end of this new color yarn like this, and now we will work chain 1, and now we will do single crochet in each of these chains. For single crochet like this, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and pull through these 2 loops. Let's complete our row 1. So our row 1 with single crochet is almost complete. Let's do our last single crochets. So this is our last single crochet, and after one single crochet, work chain 1 and pull a loop, then cut this off. So our row 1 with single crochets is complete. Again, insert your hook into the last stitch, and for row 2 we will change color. If you want to change in other color, you can use any of the other color yarn, but here I'm using the white yarn. We will work chain 3, then turn your work. Make sure every time you change color, you're securing the ends. Okay, so like this. While securing the end, now we will work on these stitches right here. So while securing the end, we will work here double crochet stitches, yarn over your hook, then insert your hook into this stitch, and then pull up a loop. So you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. Like this we will work 3 double crochet in one stitch. So this will make a kind of ruffle. So make sure you are doing at least 3 double crochet in one stitch. If you want to make it more swirly, you can do 4 double crochet in one stitch, but at least you should do 3 double crochet in one stitch. And also you need to take care that you are not skipping any stitch. So let's do our second cluster of 3 double crochets. So this is our row 2 with 3 double crochet in every single stitch across the row. So let's complete our row 2. You can pause and finish. So our row 2 with double crochets is complete. Let's do our last cluster of 3 double crochets. So our row 2 is complete. Now chain 1, pull a long loop, then cut this off. Now again we will change color. So insert your hook into your last double crochet stitch and then pull a loop of the different color yarn. So yeah, again we will pull a loop of the different color yarn, and then now we will do chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and turn your work while securing the end. We will work 2 double crochet in one stitch. So let's do our first double crochet. Now next, again 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Like this, while securing the end, we will work 2 double crochets in one stitch. So like this, complete the row. You can pause and finish. So our row 3 with 2 double crochet in one stitch is complete, and you can see the ruffle of our wind spinner. Okay, let's complete our last double crochets. After our last double crochet, chain 1 and cut the yarn. So our wind spinner is almost complete. If you want, you can finish your work here, but I want to add one more row. So again, let's change the color, then chain 2, 1 and 2, then turn your work while securing the ends. Now we will work on our special edge stitch. We will work 1 single crochet, then chain 2, 1, 2. Now we will skip our next stitch. Into the second opening we will work 1 single crochet. Insert your hook and work 1 single crochet and then chain 2. Again skip 1 stitch into second opening, 1 single crochet and then chain 2. So we will work skip 1 single crochet and chain 2. Like this, complete the last row, or we can say complete the edge of our wind spinner. Let's finish this. So let's do our last single crochet, then chain 1 and once again pull a long loop to make the holder. Then cut this off, pull it out. So we have here 2 long tails. We will tie a magic knot here. For magic knot, you can click on the I button and see how to do a magic knot. And our wind spinner is almost complete. And now we will add the tassel. So I have made already the tassel. Now just insert the yarn into the last stitch of your wind spinner and make 2 knots to secure it. Look at this tassel. It turned out a bit too curly for my liking, so I took my hair straightener and gently ran it over the tassel strand like this, just on low heat setting. See how nicely it straightened out, right? It gives the tassel a much smoother and nicer finish. Be careful while doing this and keep the heat low, and don't hold it too long as you don't damage the yarn. Now the tassel looks so much better. I'll trim the edges neatly with my scissors to make everything even and to give it a clean and professional finish. And that's it. Your very own crochet wind spinner is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and tag me with your creations. I can't wait to see your color combination. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon and comment below what color you will be using. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.